In this video, I'm going to show you how to use power of a product when dividing monomials by monomials along with negative exponents. Okay, so our first problem is 27x to the negative second power y to the fifth power over 3x to the fourth power y to the negative 15th power. Our first step is going to be dividing our coefficients. So 27 divided by 3 gives us 9. I like to put my 1 under here just to represent a number. You don't have to, and it does not change your final answer. So I divided our coefficients, so our new fraction is going to be 9x to the negative second power, y to the fifth power, 1x to the fourth power, y to the negative 15th power. When dividing monomials by monomials, you cannot have a negative exponent in your final answer. So what you're going to have to do is, instead of saying 4 minus 2, because when you're dividing like this, you subtract your exponent. So instead of saying 4 minus 2, you say 4 minus negative 2, which gives us positive 6. And you say 5 minus negative 15, which gives us positive 20. Now, to determine which variable goes on what line, whatever number is bigger. So when you're looking at x, forget y and forget the coefficients. When you're just looking at x, 4 is the bigger number out of negative 2 and 4. 4 is the larger number, so x stays on the bottom. So your x right here will go on the bottom of the line. 5 is larger than negative 15, so your y stays on the top line. Once you've done your subtraction and your division, your problem should look somewhat like this: 9y to the 20th power over 1x to the 6th power. Your final answer is 9y to the 20th power over x to the 6th power. Okay, so our second problem is 84x to the 4th power y to the 7th power over 8x to the negative 12th power y to the negative 14th power. So our first step in solving this problem would be 84 divided by 8. The answer to that is the fraction 21 over 2. So our new fraction is 21 x to the 4th power y to the 7th over 2x to the negative 12th y to the negative 14th. Now we have to subtract our exponents. So we're going to say 4 minus negative 12 and 7 minus negative 14. Our final answer, since 21 over 2 cannot be reduced anymore, our final answer is 21 x to the 16th power y to the 21st power over 2. That is how you solve a problem when dividing monomials by monomials using power of a product with negative exponents.